Jason Randall and his friends could only take so long stuck indoors.
We're out of school because of, the coronavirus thing, so kind of just making the most out of it.
When asked why they're so close and not practicing social distancing,
we all live in the same house together. We're away from other people. We're just outside enjoying nature. It's still isolating.
the group took a drive to Pollock Pines and found many here without power.
It started on Saturday evening, and it was spotty on and off, and then we weren't without power for about 2 days.
PG&E crews have been out here on Slide Park Road for days, clearing down trees and branches falling on power lines. Today, the utility is saying nearly 3,300 customers in Pollock Pines alone are still without power, many of them on the south side of Highway 50.
There's quite a few, or a high percentage of people in the area that have no power, so they're utilizing generators.
Superior Electrical is supplying generators to many in the town, including the only large grocery store in the area for miles. The only way this Safeway store is able to remain open and service its customers.
And for the most part, people up here are used to being without power from time to time. But their biggest concern right now is making sure that their roads and their driveways are clear.
Taraja Gahi owns the Shell gas station where residents have been gassing up their cars and generators. Today, the power has been spotty, and that's causing big problems.
Everything is computerized, and when computers have a power surge, they have to go and restart themselves.
And that forces customers to have to restart their entire transaction all over again.
Of course, it creates a little bit of a frustration when people have to stop pumping, hang everything back up, re-execute their credit cards. So it creates a little bit of a havoc, and everybody gets a little touchy right now. Everyone's a little edgy anyway.
People here are used to the power going out and say it's important to be patient.
PG&E crews are still working to get the power back on. There's still a lot of work to be done. The good news is people who live in the area have already started to get their electricity turned back on. In Pollock Pines, Walter McCalla, KCRA 3 News.